I play this one video game called 2K. I like to do the general manager mode, where I get to basically take control of a team, make trades and stuff like that. So I always found it interesting. So then when I get to do the internship and work with someone who does that for the Hershey Bears,
Here come the Bears over the blue line.
they get to see all those internal things that you don't hear about. First, I'll go to Learning Resource Center. I'll get on the Zoom with my supervisors from Hershey Entertainment and Resorts, working with the Hershey Bears, and my job is under sports management.
If you're in my position.
At the end of the day, I actually want the job that my supervisor has. Instead of doing that for hockey, I want to do that for basketball. I just want to be able to construct my own roster and feel like I'm affecting the game without being a player. Right now, I'm in the second half of my internship, and basically my whole project is I'm just working on figuring out ways to help struggling sports programs and help them improve so they can have a winning culture. So in the situation I end up becoming a general manager of a sports team, and I want to make trades and stuff like that, draft certain players, my main objective is to create a winning culture and to win championships. Before taking the internship, I didn't know how to do that stuff. I knew what to study, but I was so how do I even get into all of that? The most important thing is now I know exactly where to start, who to work with, and how to make my way up to that position. And now I have the understanding that it's not an instantaneous thing. You have to work hard to get there.